Hey everybody. You guys, this is going to be a quick patio update. I'm sitting here editing. Wait a minute, let me give this plane a second to go over. I'm sitting here editing because I finally finished staining the privacy wall. I got it right this time, you guys. Not the fence, but the wall. I finally finished staining it, and I'm sitting here editing and realize, oh, let me say this real quick. If you hear a little rumble, I have my patio fan going because it's quite toasty out here, but I am loving it, okay? So I have it on low, but just in case you hear a little rumble, that's what you're hearing. And I will be sharing information about my patio fan when I do the reveal. Okay, back to what I was saying. I'm sitting here editing and I realized that was one of those days that I just turned on the camera. I didn't open up the video. I didn't properly close the video. And it was so hot. I started on the back side that morning because I was trying to kind of beat the sun, and I didn't do too good of a job. So I didn't even capture me trying to do the back side because as the sun was coming up, once my device gets too hot, it's going to shut down. So I didn't even try to, and I would have had to have my camera out here in the sun. So I didn't do that. Of course, when I'm under the pergola, there is shade. So I was able to capture some clips of me staining the pergola. I did, I mentioned before that I was going to use a brush. I talked about initially using the staining pads, honey. I used a brush, and that worked out great. So I captured a few clips of me staining. I was not going to bore you videoing the entire process of me staining because it would have been just that boring. Okay, boring. A bunch of repetitive stuff that I was doing. There are a couple of clips, honey. I was out here listening to some Tasha Cobbs and ended with Ty Tribbett. Y'all, listen. So shout out to Tasha Cobbs and for Ty Tribbett for helping me get through staining the privacy wall. But what I tell you guys, I love it. And I just come out here already and I'm just piddling, just doing stuff all the time. So there's really nothing else to do. We've pressure washed, we've cleaned, we've replaced screens, we've stained, we've done the sponsored video with the patio set. I think that's about it. The only thing I need to do now, everything that has to be done out here is done. Y'all hear my birds? I love it. The only thing left for me to do, I want to get some pieces of greenery to kind of make the space feel really natural. I'm loving the natural elements of the greenery, the wood, um, tin or metal stuff. Those natural elements, I am just loving to make our outdoor patio Oasis just that, okay? So, in the next day or so, we'll go on a field trip so we can get a few pieces of greenery because like I've said before, I don't want all live plants because I'm not going to be coming out here doing all that watering, okay? So I'm hoping, my plan is to go, I think Hobby Lobby has some things on sale. So the next few days, we'll take a field trip to Hobby Lobby. So go on and get your permission slips signed, okay? Get your permission slips signed. Turn them in to make sure you can go on the field trip with us. Because if you don't, then you're just going to have to stay home. All right? Okay. So, real quick, I'm just going to show you me the little snippets of me finishing the patio wall. And that's it for today. All right. So after we come back from Hobby Lobby, whenever I do that video, we go on field trip. Then after that, we will do the patio reveal. Okay. So y'all probably need to there's gonna be some things I'm gonna have to explain. So since I know y'all so nosy, y'all gonna be wanting to see, y'all not gonna be wanting to hear me do all that talking at the beginning. I'll probably just start off with the reveal, and then we'll come back here and sit and talk, and I'll tell you, um, give you some information on maybe why I did or did not do certain things. Okay, I'll open up with maybe just a little bit of talking, just a minute or two, but then we'll get right to the reveal. So, what's today? It's early in the week. Right now, it's Monday. Yeah, it's Monday, so I'm trying to get this done today. If I don't get it finished today, you'll see this Tuesday, but I'm hoping you're going to see it on Monday, which is today, like real time. So, and I'm talking about Monday, July the 15th, today. So hopefully I'll get this done. And I just want to kind of let you know what you're getting ready to see. So yes, I finally got the wall done. And I have birds and squirrels. So my squirrels are going up the tree eating our apples. Okay. All right. So I appreciate you guys for hanging in here with us. I won't come back after the little clips. Y'all gonna see me get my little praise on my head though, doing my staining. So I just wanted to prove to y'all that I did finish. I did it. I finished it, y'all. So I'm gonna show you guys these little clips. And like I said, in the next few days, we'll go on a field trip, and then after that, we're gonna do the reveal. Okay? All right. I still have a few things I need to get. Like I don't have all my patio lights that I want, but look, we'll get that another time. I'm not gonna make you guys wait any longer because it's been a minute. All right. Okay. So I appreciate you guys. If you've not subscribed, please consider doing so. Um, Turn on that notification bell. That's that hit the nosy. My dude number one, aka my husband, would holler out if he were here. Turn on that notification bell. That way you'll be notified whenever we're doing whatever it is we are doing. All right. We appreciate you all so much. Thank you all so much for watching. We already look forward to you joining us again next time. Bye.